Bank provide recourse financing, and we do not require any collateral or guarantee, and our rates are uniform throughout the year. There is no currency fluctuation involved. Whereas banks do not provide these kinds of services, their rates are every time increasing and decreasing every time. And the difference between DS Concept and insurance company is that we have DS Concept basically have total control over the transaction, and we provide time to time information to our buyers. If any change come, we immediately provide our exporters that this is the financial condition of the buyer.
Which means that if the buyer does not pay, if the buyer gets default or buyer gets insolvent, whatever the case may be, and the exporter is not getting the money back into his bank, so DS Concept Factoring has already paid them 80 to 90% whatever is agreed between them, and the rest of the 20 or 10% whatever it may be, that is also given to the exporter after the settlement of the dispute or settlement of the default. So, which proves that the services which DS Concept Factoring provides, due to that exporter gets non-recourse financing in the form of the foreign exchange, whereas the local banks cannot do that. We do not provide pre-shipment financing because we are not a bank, we are a factoring company. According to the licensing procedures worldwide for the factoring companies, they cannot provide pre-shipment financing. It is only the discretion of the local banks. According to their laws, they can offer pre-shipment financing.
We insure you 100% invoice, but we finance you 80% first. So at the time of acceptance, first we will pay you the 80% of your invoice value. For example, if your invoice is $100,000, then we will pay you 80,000.
But while in DS Concept, their mindset is to promotion of the business, be it with the import or be it with the export. Their mindset is to how to help and facilitate the importer or exporter to become more effective in their business line.
Normally it happens like this, that from the local bank of the exporter, the documents, shipment documents are dispatched to the nominated bank of DS Concept Factoring, and the DS Concept Bank tells DS Concept Factoring that the documents of the exporters have arrived. DS Concept in the meanwhile gets the acceptance from the importer on the copy of the documents, and DS Concept pays the agreed amount, whatever it is, either 80% or 90% of the invoice as immediate financing. After doing that, collects the document from its bank and sends the original documents to the importer.
We want only 3 shipment document: invoice, BL and packing list. We have no requirement any change on BL or AV bill. But in the invoice we want 3 changes. One is we want notify party as a DS Concept Factoring. Second, you have to mention the payment term which we agreed between you and your buyer. For example, 60 days, DA, 90 days or whatever. It's up. And third, we want the assignment clause which we will provide it to you later. In assignment clause we give you bank details, and your buyer, previously your buyer pay directly to you, but now if you are doing the work through DS Concept Factoring, your buyer pay to us in our account. So in assignment clause we will give you the bank details which you mention on your invoice, and your buyer has to pay in this account.
The document includes the last 3 year financials of the exporter, last 3 years tax assessments, their NTN certificate, company registration certificate, Chamber of Commerce certificates, and the NIC of the signatories and their structure of shareholding. When we receive the approved limit, we inform the exporter via email with the requirements that are required for the contract. In that, it includes the price of